Okay, we're back at the field in the afternoon. In the morning, that first flight, I ran into the fence. Basically, the only thing that happened was there was a little crack here, and the bottom of the chicken wire on the fence just scraped up the wing here and popped off the light cover there. So I got that all fixed back up, and I also added an additional washer in the back side of the retracts to get more angle forward or rake forward on the gears. I also forgot to mention in my first video, when you angle the gears forward, you're also going to have to carve out a little more space in the back end of the wheel well for the wheels to be able to fit through. And of course, I had to remove the gear doors to accommodate the larger wheels as well. Again, those wheels are actually from the FMS P-51. Use those wheels instead of the stock ones. These are almost like 3 inches, whereas the stock ones are 2.5. Oh, the other thing I forgot to mention in the last clip was I changed out the pilot. This pilot's actually from the E-Flight Corsair. The one that came stock with this looked way too small for this size canopy. Oh, and also to accommodate the 4000 pack, I had to carve out a little pocket here in the canopy, and that holds the battery pretty snug in place, and it also allows me to close the canopy. So I guess the next video, I think this should be everything that I need to do to the Zero, and it should be good from here. So I guess we'll see how it handles the field on the next video. Will be the first flight of the afternoon.